How to connect Robo with phone. Open the App Store iOS or Google Play Store Android on your smartphone. Type Smart Life in the search bar. Download and install the app. Create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Log in using your registered account ID and password. Switch on the main rocker switch. It is recommended before trying to connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure that Robo is charged at least 50% or connected to the charging station. Press and hold both the buttons, power button and home button together until you hear a voice prompt or beep. The indicator light on the vacuum cleaner will start flashing in white, signaling the device is in pairing mode. Once the machine is in pairing mode, open the app and click on Add Device. Follow the instructions. Enter Wi-Fi details. Ensure it is a 2.4 GHz network. While connecting, if the indicator on Robo is slowly flashing white light, means it is waiting for connection. If it is flashing fast, means connection to Wi-Fi is in progress. And if it is a solid white light, that means it is successfully connected to Wi-Fi. Check on the app to confirm successful pairing. Now Robo is ready to use. How to use the Robo for the first time. Switch on the Robo from the side of the machine. Then press and hold the main power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Check if the Robo is connected to the app. Then press the auto cleaning button in the app to activate automatic cleaning. The machine will leave the charging dock and start scanning the home to create a map. Now let's explore the Smart Life app. Starting with home mapping in the next section. How to do home mapping. On the Smart Life app, use the Auto Mode feature to create a map of your home. Robo will start from the docking station and start cleaning floor area and start forming accurate maps of the home. It will map the boundaries first and then clearly show different rooms of the house. To start with, the room will look grey and then it will turn into a different color once cleaning is completed. Allow the Robo to go back to docking station once cleaning is completed. At this point, cleaning and creation of the map of the entire home is done. Don't miss to save the map in the app. You can also edit the map, merge or split rooms and rename them as per your need. For instance, merge room 1 and room 2 and rename it as bedrooms. Split room 1 into 2 rooms and rename it as hall area and kitchen. During cleaning, the Robo continues to update the map for accurate navigation. If the Robo is moved or if the position of furniture at home changes, the Robo will attempt to reposition itself and update the existing map. What is room cleaning feature? How to use it? Let's learn room cleaning feature in the app. Open the app, select the room cleaning mode and select desired room. For instance, let me select bedroom. Robo will only clean this bedroom and return to charging station. Isn't that great? What is zone cleaning feature? How to use it? Open the app, select the zone cleaning mode and select desired area inside a room. For instance, let me select the dining table area in the living room. Robo will only clean the area around the dining table in the living room and return to charging station afterwards. What is no zone cleaning mode? Open the app. Select this mode and select the area where you don't want the Robo to go. For instance, I want to restrict the Robo from entering the storeroom. Now Robo will avoid cleaning in this area. What is spot cleaning using pin and go mode of cleaning? You can select the specific spot for focus dirt removal. Robo will go to exactly where you want to clean. For instance, let me select a specific spot near the sofa in the hall area. In the hall area, Robo will go to this spot for cleaning and come back. How to schedule cleaning? Open the app, set the time you want, choose the rooms, and even customize cleaning intensity. For instance, let me set cleaning time as 5 p.m. Select bedrooms at medium mode so that I see my bedrooms clean when I reach home after work. Forbes Smart Clean ensures your home is cleaned exactly when you need it, even when you're not around. How to make phone a remote control. Open the app. Go to Remote Control Mode to guide the robo manually. Top, bottom, left. Alright, isn't it easy? If we want to reverse the movement of robo, use bottom arrow, which will turn the robo by 180 degrees, and then using top arrow, you can again move it in the forward direction. Can more than one person operate Forbes Robo? You can share the robo to second person, for example, your husband through email, WhatsApp or Smart Life account. Go to Share Device option. Enter the registered email ID of the second user. The second user will get a notification in the Smart Life app. Go to Share Device option. Select More and select either WhatsApp or email and share it. The second user will get the link in message. Second user will click on the link where he or she will be directed to Smart Life app. Let's learn to use Alexa and Google Assistant to start the device. You can turn on the robo using Alexa or Google Home. For this, Step 1. Go to Third Party Control option. Step 2. Select either Alexa or Google Home. Step 3. Click on the link to Amazon Alexa. Step 4. Then we will be directed to Alexa app. Press Continue. Step 5. Click on the link to connect Smart Life app and Alexa. Once link is successful, then press Done. Step 6. Now you can command to Alexa, "Alexa, turn on Forbes Robotic LVac Voice Nuo."